Hello everyone. Don't worry. This is Steam Queen for he to Revolution. Don't worry. Missing the piece. It's gone. Of course, like to take a power cord off. Don't worry. Steam Queener 6 Queenie Rose to cleaning, scrubber, groom cleaning. Let me see amps. I don't like motor right now. Let me see. Oh man, I can't see it. This is Power Force Power Brush Dirt Lifter Power Brush removable nozzle. That's pretty cool. Seat cleaner, a pet on it. Dual Power Max carpet washer. How I thousand of maybe Eureka Power Speed Pro Swivel Plus. But don't worry, it's 2x. Alright, this Dual Power Max. Don't worry, a battery in there, a steam cleaner, carpet cleaner. Cross grave. The cleaner woods, anyway, rocks. The flash one. Power flash. Pistol, but don't worry. Pistol Power Force compact turbo have with turbo brush pad on it. Pad remover as well. Don't worry. This is the high adjustment right here. With the logos. I just take your school, jobs, businesses. Don't worry. I don't know what's in Power Force Helix. Release one thing. This is a Power Force Helix Turbo. Great for payers and upholstery. 8 amp motor and 8 amp motor. I kind of stuff. What chicken motor is? Oh man, none.